Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make drop like Habstrakt Infinity. Let's hear the instruments. Let's see in detail how it works. As I said before, drums, it's important to find similar or cut from the original. You can also find other samples on the splice. And what else? I always forget to show you the master channel. It's simple. The main thing is mixing and your balance, and then you don't need mastering. Okay, now it's time to watch how to make it sick bass. First layer, this is sub bass. One oscillator, a simple saw, envelope sent to filter, and a small distortion. Second layer. This is also saw, and we can see 9 unison. Global range 2. And what about oscillator A? The tune, blend, and you can see envelope and filter doesn't work. Okay, moving on to a fix. Just a cue, nothing special. Compression in the style OTT. Distortion. And hyper dimension for a little bit stereo. And the last layer, it is the same as the second. Its only difference is hyper dimension. There is a lot of it. And you can see cutoff filter. And now let's move on to mixing information out bass. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you one thing. This is pitch bend. Alright, let's move on to the main mixing process. You can see double side chain, a small reduction stereo, this is a simple EQ correction. Remove unnecessary frequencies and put it in the mix. easy correction with Saturn, and OTT pumping.